How to teach phonics for kids? First, we have to teach them A to Z phonic sounds, and then we have to teach them to recognize beginning sound of the word and then end sound of the word. And then VC is 2-letter words, CVC is 3-letter words, consonant, vowel and consonant. Then we have to move on to consonant blending, magic E, digraph, spelling rules, basic grammars, and then simple sentence. First, we have to teach them the phonic sound for all these letters, and then 2-letter words, and then we have to teach them to recognize what is vowel and what is consonant. Then only they can able to make a blending and they will understand the spelling rules. We have to teach them vowels A, E, I, O, U, the 5 letters vowels, and then the remaining 21 letter is consonant. Then we have to move on to 2-letter words. After 2-letter words, we have to teach them 3-letter words, that is A sound words, E sound words, I sound words, O sound words, and then U sound words. I have given the link of the video so that you can go through the video and you can understand how to teach them all these 3-letter words. And now you are seeing A sound words, A family words. And then we have to teach them E sound words, E family words. And then we have to teach them how to read I sound words, O sound words, and then U sound words too. And I have given a video link in the description box regarding how to teach CVC word as a brief detailed video. Please go and check it. And for more such educational video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now what you are seeing is O sound words. We have to complete all the CVC words first, and then only we have to move on to the next step when we are teaching phonics step by step. After teaching U sound words, we have to move on to blend sound words, blending the consonants. For example, bl, u, blue, pl and plan, dr, drum, r, up, rap, sk, I, sky, twa, ik, twig, cla, clown, sl, ip, slip, fra, og, frog, st, r, star, sk, r, scar, fl, I, fly, bra, brown, gra, as, grass, spa, odd, spot, sma, all, small, gla, glue, cra, crab, tra, tree, sna, snail, swa, swing, twa, twig. Like that, we have to teach the student how to read when they see B and L words together. They have to know how to blend the consonant and read. Then we have to move on to digraphs, trigraphs, spelling rules and sentence formation. Keep watching for more such educational video. Thank you.